When you connect your calendar to Calendly, there are certain things that happen. Calendly creates an event and puts it or syncs it into your calendar. It cannot create another event over that event. If you create a manual event in your calendar, Calendly cannot create another event on top of that event. It can create after or before. So it checks for conflicts before an event is created. That happens automatically. So sometimes you might want to book over an event. Maybe you want a certain event to take precedence over other events. You want the system to be able to know which events you can book over. You make use of what we call free and busy rules. Where do you find these? You just click the meeting that you want to take precedence and you go to where it says more options and click free and busy rules. So this works when you already have a connected calendar. So what do you do next? You click add meeting exception. Say we want consultation meetings to take precedence over follow-up meetings. Whenever you are booking and it finds that there was a follow-up meeting already within the calendar, the system will automatically book over that. And how does it know? You paste the name of the meeting that doesn't take precedence. So if the name includes or exactly matches, you then choose what you want. But I usually encourage to say, make sure that it exactly matches this meeting so that there are no mistakes that happen. So once you do that, you then click save. So each time the system finds follow-up meeting while trying to book a consultation meeting, it will book over it. So the next question that comes is, what then happens to the existing meeting that we've booked over? Calendly will send you an alert through email to tell you that you've booked over an existing meeting, and then it gives you an option to reschedule. The person who was to attend that meeting will also be automatically notified when you reschedule that meeting. So everything works out well in the end. So that's how we make use of free and busy rules. And as always, we save our changes.